Well, having got introduced with the theoretical preliminaries in Marxist criticism, now we shall go ahead with the introduction of the literary critic Terry Eagleton. He is well known as Terry Eagleton, but his name is Terence Francis Eagleton. He is a British literary theorist, critic, and public intellectual. Currently, he is a distinguished professor of English literature at Lancaster University. He was born in Salford, educated at Trinity College, Cambridge, and he became Wharton Professor of English Literature at Oxford. So I have already told you that he's a very famous critic. He's a very lively and committed literary reviewer. His interests are in Marxist criticism. So as a Marxist from a working class Catholic background, he's a Marxist basically. Not only means in terms of literature, but he's as an activist as well. He's a Marxist in terms of his philosophy. He belongs to a working class Catholic background. Okay, and he talks about the politics of power in the conditions on the works of art and views of literature, how it influences the work of art and views of literature. And the effect of his background can be seen in his literary criticism. His book Exiles and Emigres, which was published in the year 1970, makes distinction between biographical facts and fictional themes in modern writing. Further, his later work, Walter Benjamin of 1981, The Rape of Clarissa, 1982, combines Marxist thought with developing continental literary theory and philosophy. His best-known book is Literary Theory and Introduction of 1983. You must have seen the book in your libraries. If you have visited your libraries, unfortunately, you mustn't have visited our library, but this book is available in our library as well. So he's well known for this literary theory and introduction. Apart from that, The Ideology of Aesthetic is one more famous book. Okay, here he talks about ideas of from Kant to Adorno, and he explores various philosophical and literary layers. Here are some more recent works, which include Ideology and Introduction, 1991, Heathcliff and the Great Hunger. Heathcliff is a character from what is a Charlotte Bronte's novel. Okay, so, and he refers to Heathcliff and the Great Hunger, and Derek Jarman's film Wittgenstein of 1993. These are the list of his major works. I don't want to read them in detail. You can go through the list, which is available in your LMS.